So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can claim your PixelTap or PixelVerse token from your dashboard. So that's what I will be explaining in this video. So just follow me as I show you step-by-step guide on how to get it done. If you look here, you see that the option to claim your token is already here. So now if you click on claim, you can see now they've actually categorized me as epic. You know, we have rare, epic, and legendary. So, and look at what they put here: early adopter. Then look at epic. That's where they categorize me, NFT epic. So we have rare, NFT epic. Then you can see when I will be able to claim it. That is in 6 days time. That's on the 25th. Then when you click on next, here is the token that was given to me. This is the token that was given to me. That's 690. 690. They said claim your reward based on your activity inside PixelTap. You were chosen as an early adopter and receive a special reward. So this actually represents 10% of the amount of token I actually gained from PixelTap by PixelVerse. So in my previous video, I've actually explained what is all about the 10%. So when you click on next, then it will bring you here where you can enter your non-custodian wallet. So we have different type of wallet. Any wallet you copy from exchange, they are custodian wallets. So that is not what you are going to enter here. So what you are going to enter here are non-custodian wallet. Look at the instruction that is written there, that you should enter non-custodian wallet. So for you to understand non-custodian wallet, any wallet address you are going to create that will be asking you to save your recovery fees, they are non-custodian wallet. You are totally in charge of such a wallet. So such as a Trust Wallet and MetaMask wallet, which was recommended for us. So you are going to go to the wallet and copy the Ethereum wallet address there. So here is our MetaMask wallet. So this is it here. So we are going to click on it. So if you are yet to have this wallet, go and download it from Play Store. So when you download it from Play Store, then you copy your recovery phase, you save it, you register, you set your password so that you can have this wallet. So I've already done my own, so I'm going to log in now. So this is my MetaMask wallet. So the next thing we are going to do, you can see from here, it says Ethereum network. Then here is the address. You can see the address written, but this is the address. So if I want to copy, I'll click here to copy the wallet address. So he said public address copied. So I've copied the wallet address now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to return back to my PixelTap mini app to paste the wallet address as instructed by PixelTap. So that is how to copy. Then let's proceed back to our PixelTap to paste the wallet address. So when you copy the Ethereum wallet address, then you paste it here. Then you click on click on claim. So that's how to claim your token. Now, my own personal opinion, because I want to do a little calculation based on what has been given to me here. So this is what has been given to me. Now let's proceed to Bybit and let's see the current price of PixelVerse. So this is the current price of PixelVerse. That's 0.035. So that's the current price of PixelVerse as at the time of recording this video. Though the price is actually appreciating, you can see the PixelTap is doing well in the market. So this is it. Then let's go to our calculator and let's calculate the 10% of the amount that have been allocated to me. So let's check the 10%. So I was given 690 tokens. Then if you calculate it times the current price 0.03, I think 4 or 5, I think 5. Let me see. That's 535. So the amount of money I'm going to make, the 20% of the amount I'm getting in this airdrop is $24 as at the market price as at the time of recording this video. That's the 10%. So the virtual money, the total money given to me from this airdrop is, if I should times this by 9, so the total amount is just $217 dollars. That's the total amount, but they are paying only 10%. Okay, no, that's it should be times 10 plus 24. So this is the total amount of money given to me, but they are releasing only 10% out of it, which is $24. So now I'm going back to my PixelTap app. Personally, um, I don't really appreciate this because if you look at the effort I've actually put into PixelTap or PixelVerse, if you check under my referral, I have 655 referrals. I mean, you can see the coin I've accumulated. Look at the level 8. So, in my own opinion, on a personal note, it's not worth it.